In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Printify to Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify account. Once you are on the dashboard, click on Settings, located at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Inside the Settings page, look at the left-hand menu and select Apps and Sales Channels. Now, at the upper right-hand side of your screen, click on Shopify App Store. This action will open the Shopify App Store in a new browser tab. Once you're inside the App Store, use the search bar at the top to type in Printify and hit Enter. You will now see the official Printify print-on-demand app appear in the search results. Click on the Install button next to the app name. A new tab will open asking for confirmation. Click Install again. At this point, you may be prompted to log into your Printify account. If you already have one, scroll down and click on Sign In. If not, you can create a new Printify account using your email address or by signing in with Google. Once signed in, Printify will complete the integration process and link with your Shopify store. For a full view of your Printify dashboard, you can also click on Open Full Site from within the embedded app window. After that, your Printify account will be fully connected to your Shopify store, and you'll be able to start importing products, managing orders, and customizing your print-on-demand items directly within Shopify. And that's how you can connect Printify with Shopify.